This philosophical channel has made anywhere from 19K to 298K US dollars in the past year, with many other Faceless channels making even more with little to no effort. If you want to achieve similar results to these channels, but don't have the time or capital to produce videos, don't worry, because today I'll teach you guys step by step on how you can create an entire Faceless YouTube automation channel with the help of AI. This guide is perfect for those who don't know how to edit or have the capital to outsource the work on Fiverr or Upwork. I'll be covering the exact steps on how to create the script, visual elements, channel logo, and banner entirely with AI. I'll also be covering what type of content you should not be posting to prevent demonetization issues in the future, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. So, assuming you've already made your YouTube channel, so what you want to do next is head on over to canva.com, and if you haven't signed up already, it's free to do so. Now, once you're in Canva, you're going to head over to apps and press that, and here you can see text to image. And after you press text to image, you can type any logo you want. In this case, I'm going to type in Socrates logo, and I'm going to hit create image. So now I have 4 AI images, and I think I'll be using the top right one over here. I'm going to be choosing this, and I'm going to be removing the second one, and then zooming it on, and putting it in the middle. And then I'm going to go ahead and download this image by pressing share in the top right corner, pressing download, and making sure to enable transparent background because you don't want the white bar on your YouTube logo, and that's it. I also went ahead and made this really nice, clean and crisp banner, and added this white text myself. And just like that, we have our channel ready. You can also change the channel name with the help of ChatGPT, just like how I did. Okay, so now let's create the first video.
Strong minds discuss ideas. Average minds discuss events. Weak minds discuss people.
That was a short segment from another Faceless YouTube channel. Did you see how simple the video was? So firstly, we need a script, so I'll be using ChatGPT for the script writing. And you may paste in the prompt which tells ChatGPT to get the famous quotes from Socrates. And I also tell it to create some pauses. And just like that, I'm going to press enter, and ChatGPT gives us a bunch of quotes. And I'll be using all these quotes to paste it into a text file, and then I'll be using 11 Labs to create the text-to-speech. I'll also leave my prompt in the description for those of you who want to use it. So now what you're going to do is head on over to 11 Labs over here, and if you haven't signed up, you can sign up for free. And they have around 2,000 word limit, and I've already used around 1,000 words. And you can always just create a new account to, create new text-to-speech. And here I copied my ChatGPT stuff into this text file over here. I'll just copy all this and paste it here. And just like that, I can hit generate. And let it just generate.
The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing.
So that actually sounds really good. If you're also creating a philosophical channel like me, I'd recommend you to use Adam's voice because his voice is perfect for these kind of channels. So now when you're done generating, all you have to do is go ahead here and press the download button, and that should download the text-to-speech for you to use in your video. So for our video production, we'll be using DID and V.io for the subtitles. By using these two tools, I managed to create this video.
The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment.
To create this kind of video, all you need to do is head over to Canva and choose the presentation option while creating a new design. Okay, so now after the new window opens, you want to go over here and click on elements. And here you can just search for philosophy. I've already searched this before. Choose this, and then go to photos and press see all. Then scroll down till you find a good image to use. In my case, I'm going to use this one. And after I choose this, I'm going to right click on this image and choose set image as background. And after this, I'm going to choose this image and press on edit photo over here, and then go down. And I'm going to choose this blur option right here. So now after that's done, what you're going to do is scroll down and choose the text image AI to have the animated head talking like the video I showed before. Choose this. And here I just chose a simple prompt over here, Socrates head. And I have 4 nicely generated images. I'm going to use the 4th one. And I've already removed the background on the 4th image here, so I can just paste it here. And if you're wondering how to remove backgrounds, you can just look up a free image to remove background services. There's plenty. And after you get that, you're going to take this and move this to the right. Nice one there. Okay. Then after that's done, you're going to go to text and choose add a subheading. And just do hyphen and type in your philosopher's name. In my case, it's Socrates. I'm going to choose this and make the text white. And make it bold. And that's it. Okay, so now what you do is go ahead and press share. And download this as a PNG and this resolution and hit download. And that's it. So now what you're going to do is head on over to did.com, and I'll leave this link in the description as well. And now you're going to go ahead and press create video in the top right corner. And it should open up this new window. And at this point, you should make sure to have your text-to-speech and the PNG from Canva ready. And you're going to go over and press add over here to make your own animated avatar. Then go ahead and create a Google account. Okay, so after signing up, what you're going to do is go ahead and press create video again, and then press add. And here you can choose the things you've saved before. So I can just go ahead and choose YT, and I can choose the Socrates head talking over here, and then open this. Then I can just go over here and press audio and upload the text to speech over here, and that's it. Now let this just upload, and go ahead and press the generate video over here. I hit generate, and that's it. Now just wait for your video to be generated. Okay, now so we're almost done. What I'm going to do next is go over to the generate video and press download. And I've already downloaded the video for the sake of time. I'm going to go ahead to this website called Veed.io. I'll leave the link in the description. It takes only like a few moments to sign up. Then what I'm going to do next is open up here and blank project and upload the file, the video that DID gave you, and then wait for it to upload. Now that's done, you're going to go ahead into subtitles over here and press this auto subtitle. Choose English and just wait for it. Okay, so now that's done, we have the subtitle itself. Let's play the video.
Only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing.
Okay, so the subtitles look really bad, so I'm going to fix that right here. I'm going to go to styles on the top over here, and what you're going to do is scroll down till you find the thing you like. I chose karaoke over here. And then what you're going to do next is scroll down and go to the effect and choose shadow to remove the background, and go back. And now what I'm going to do is go here, choose the video, and move the subtitle to the top, because you don't want the subtitle to cover the Socrates face, and make it a bit more bigger. Too big. Yeah, okay, that looks good. So let's just check out the video now.
The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment.
Okay, so that looks really good. What I'm going to do is go ahead and export the video and wait for that to get downloaded. Okay, so after the video gets exported, what you're going to do is press the download button over here and choose the MP4 option. And now let's just wait for that to download. Okay, now that's done downloading, you're going to go over here to this website. And I'll leave this link in the description as well. And then take this video and drop it over here. And here, just a straightforward user interface. Select the area and remove from the video. So just go ahead and choose this on the top right, and this DID watermark in the bottom left. And press the save button over here. And let this just load encoding. So after a few moments, it should finish encoding. You can just go ahead and press the save button, and let this just download again. And if I open the video,
the only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing.
Boom, all the watermarks are gone, and you can just go ahead and upload this to YouTube directly. Okay, so for those of you who stay until the end of the video, I'll be teaching what type of content you should not be posting if you want to remain monetized in the future. So I want you to take a short look at this clip.
Once upon a time, in a far-off kingdom, there was a wise and peaceful Zen master.
So the whole video has the same background, and almost all the videos posted by Dare to Do Motivation have the same sort of theme. And if you check the monetization status, it says monetized. But keep in mind that this channel was made in 2017, where YouTube was less strict with what content could be monetized. This creator explicitly states that they voice their own content. Now, I'm not sure if a channel like this could get monetized after the new 2019 YouTube monetization policies, which were implemented by YouTube to stop low-effort content. But if you're planning to make content like this, be warned that your channel may or may not get monetized, or might even lose monetizing status in the future. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and if you'd like to see more of my content, just click over here.